So I'm going to show you how to use the voice dictation tool on Google Docs. So this is really helpful if you are transcribing your writing from your notebook, your handwriting notebook, and you have a lot to type. This is a great tool. It's also if you are just brainstorming your story and want to get your ideas down. So here's what you do. I'm going to start from the beginning. So you'll open your Google Doc, make sure the cursor is here or wherever you want your words to be. And then you go to the tools, voice typing, click to speak. Once there was a dragon looking for a home, comma, and he knew he had a long way to go, period. And that's how you do it. It's pretty cool. You will have to reread, make sure your punctuation actually went through, comma, but all in all, it is a pretty cool tool.